Pero napatunayan ko, tama ang partidong pinili ko!
Tama!
Our friend, to be a student leaders, not to become a bad power! Student leaders are trained through hard work, determination, and passion to serve you students! Sabi nila, mas na-experience daw siya. Siguro nga, mas bata po ako. But it's been 2 years since I enrolled in FEU. At simula noon, may ginagawa na ako. And I am proud to say na may napatunayan na ako at may na mas may mapapatunayan pa. Hindi para sa sarili. May ginagawa at may magagawa pa. I am Archie Lumab, your future.
Oh, dito! Lumab! Lumab! Lumab!